Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to add your sticker or how to use the add your sticker, how to use this trending sticker on your Instagram story. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add your stickers in Instagram, how to add your sticker, how to use the your sticker. So I just going to show. So first of all, I just go clicking something and just posting on my story. So I just need to click on this sticker option on the top. Now you will see an option called add viewers. So click this right up promotes. So what you are thinking about. So this is my word, like this is my world. Okay. So this is my add viewers. You can just click on this add viewers option so people can see the story and add these stickers. So if you just do this, I just going to post here. So after posting it, and someone can add their word by clicking on the add viewer option, and they can select the image and saying they will be use this promote as this is my word, like that. This is how you just use the add your sticker on your Instagram story. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.